I came here to teach medical human gross anatomy. I've taught histology and a lot of other things over time, but my main passion is the human body and trying to give students an idea of not only the structure, but how that structure leads to function. We always taught physical exam skills in conjunction with gross anatomy, which is what I've taught for 45 years. And physical exam skills can't always be taught on one of the terrific mannequins and whatever that we have over in our simulation center. There are some things that really require some additional hands-on with real people, real patients. And so we've got a standardized patient program, and those folks are fantastic at helping the students learn physical exam skills. But there are still some things that you can't do. I really thought we should build a surgical center where students, an actual, functional, fully equipped operating room where students could actually do surgery with guidance. I texted the dean at 2 o'clock in the morning and I said, I think we ought to build an operating room so that students can really get hands-on. And not only would it be great for them from a learning perspective, but it would be ideal for them as they apply to residency programs. And we found the space. We've got virtual reality on one part, we've got a scrub area on another so students can come in and really prepare properly, and then the main operating room, which is state-of-the-art. The feeling is real. It's just that we use our anatomical gift donors rather than, of course, live patients. So it really does give them the opportunity to learn how to do surgery in a safe, protected environment. Every single day, there is something new that comes up that really helps me advance what I do, which helps me advance what the student is learning. And I think that's critical. You know, teamwork makes the dream work. It's not just the faculty and staff. The students are part of the team to help advance the process. They help teach each other. They help keep us sharp. They help keep us moving forward.